right now, Alabama politics is really under the national microscope in a way some state politicians say they've never seen before. With talk of some top Republicans looking at ways to oust Moore, it's important to look at what options are actually legally viable by Alabama code.
And look forward to serving the United States Senate.
With no plans to step down, former Alabama Chief Justice Roy Moore continues his pursuit for a Senate seat. But Republican leaders in Washington are eyeing ways to get him out.
He's obviously not fit to be in the United States Senate.
Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell is reportedly discussing the option of asking appointed Senator Luther Strange to resign from his seat, which some have said could trigger the whole process to start over again, and a new special election would have to be scheduled.
It just shows that they're ignorant of the Alabama law.
But Alabama Secretary of State John Merrill debunks that, telling me on the phone today that having Strange step down wouldn't change a thing.
If he resigns his seat today, another temporary senator will be assigned to that seat. It does not interrupt the election process in which we're currently engaged.
There have also been talks of swapping in a new candidate in place of Moore, but that can't happen either, as Merrill says ballots have already been certified and absentee voters have already started casting votes. But a write-in campaign could take place, and Luther Strange, who lost in the primary election, would be legally qualified to run a write-in campaign, despite what's known as the state's sore loser laws, which says, according to a 2014 AG opinion written by Strange himself, that a, quote, disqualified candidate may not thereafter appear on any subsequent ballot for that election year.
The sore loser law is not applicable because there were no other parties that submitted names, no independents qualified. Any candidate that wishes to be considered as a write-in candidate for the December 12th special U.S. Senate election is eligible as long as they meet the requirements to serve in the United States Senate.
Meanwhile, if Moore is elected, there has also been talk from Senate leaders about a push to expel him from the Senate, something that rarely occurs. Merrill tells me a situation like this has never happened before, so either way, political history could be made.